just have hide the files in your Windows and now you are struggling how to get back to those files, then make sure to watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create Log and Delete. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to see hidden files on Windows 11. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your this PC. Here we go. Now go to the option View, click on it. Go to the Options. Now here you can see this option of View. Again, click on it. Over here you can find this option of Hidden Files and Folders. Click on Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drivers and then click on Apply. Now you can go and check it out. You can see that I have just got back my hidden files. In this way you can easily see hidden files on Windows 11. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.